This is my first time going into it. Oh, pitted. Rocky pitted. Wow. Well, you definitely can speed in here. Oh, almost. Almost. Oh, I cleared that one. Oh, step up. I almost cleared it. Okay. I'm definitely gonna hit that again. Well, good morning, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I'm out of state. I'm actually in Wisconsin at a place I've never been before. This is Willow State Park in Wisconsin. And they're supposed to have jumps here as well as lots of other fun stuff. But this is the trailhead, and then the parking lot is like right there. So, with that said, there is a deer right there. Hello! Well, hello there. Oh my gosh, look at you. Hello! Just, you know, chilling out on the side of the road, no big deal. Well, I'm getting really close. You are tame, aren't you? He's like super tame. You're super tame, that's what I call you. Well, you didn't expect to see that. So you gotta watch every single second of my videos. So I'm gonna film everything. This is the green trail. Woo! All things considered. But we're gonna check out the other state park here too, south of here, because Whitetail Ridge is closed. I was gonna go there, and it's closed. There's a big race there, like a kids race, which, you know, I'm all for that. Seeing little kids. I mean, there were some like little kids, you know, the next generation. Whoa! Wow. Okay, you want to take that one a little slower. So me getting completely lost on these trails the first time and not finding the jumps will be a different video. So let's jump ahead to the jumps. Okay, so here's some of the jumps. Like plain as day. I can do that. I don't know which one this is, but you come down that. So that doesn't look too bad. It's kind of nice when you can preview them when you're like, oh, okay. Wow. That's a mighty big tabletop. Here we go. Clear it. Not even close. Oh, now it's my turn. This is the climb up. Switches back and forth, back and forth. I'm already up over a story from where I was like a minute ago. My plan right now is to do the easy one a couple times and then move on to the other one. This is actually not too bad. This is the easier jump line. And I don't know how I feel about it right now because this is my first time going into it. Oh, pitted. Rocky pitted. Wow. Well, you definitely can speed in here. I'm not about that. I want to kind of break you. Oh, there's gap. Okay. Okay. There's a little gap. That's totally warning. Okay. Oh. Oh, almost. Almost. Oh, I cleared that one. Oh, step up. I almost cleared it. Okay. All right, I'm gonna do this again. This is the smallmouth, and then I'm gonna do the largemouth once. I'll probably come up for a fourth time. I don't know which one I'm gonna do. I think this one, if you don't use your brakes and you bank your bike, you could easily clear everything. I mean, I cleared the bottom tabletop pretty easily. So I'm gonna hit it again, see a little bit faster. So the key is to just not coast through this stuff. It's really kind of washed out right there. This is scary right here though. Yeah, see this? This is just a little bit too much. Oh, here's my coasting brake. This is the first tabletop. Oh yeah, I cleared it, no problem that time. I'm not comfortable with speed right now. Oh, I cleared all 3 of them that time. Nice! Woo! There's supposed to be a couple tables on this one, but a bunch of other really weird sideways stuff. I don't know what to expect about this one, but I'm gonna take it kind of slow and see what it's like and then make a...
Well, I was hoping that the shorter trail would prepare me for the longer trail. It did not, and as you'll see, there were some very unique features on this trail. Lots of surprises.
Hey, this is a black timing trail, man. So far, nope. No, that's taking you back. It's taking you back and getting you ready for maximum death. That's what they call it, you know, maximum death. Right here. Wait for these guys to go through. Okay. I'm gonna check this feature out. Well, that's not bad at all. I think I'm gonna... Should I hit that? No, now that I'm like off the trail, I'm just gonna ride down it. This is not a bad drop. I could do that. That's easy. And then there's a jump here. Oh, so close. Warning, warning. Step down. Oh, it's like super loose. Like crazy loose. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're going back uphill. What the heck? I thought this was a downhill trail. What the heck? There's more to the jumps, right? Okay, that's what I thought. Oh, that'll give you a nice break. I see a jump. I kind of very lowly cleared that. Oh my gosh, this is loose. Not like how loose it is. Oh, I'm brake riding. Wow. Yeah, it's a little scary. There you tuna, man. Wow. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not taking that at speed. Holy buckets. That's loose. No, I like the other trail a lot better. Wow. Like, what the heck? It's like I was riding along the beach. It's so loose. I was like, I can't confidence that clear anything or hit anything. I think I can get the jumps. I just have to be careful of looseness. Hit this again. Last run. Biggest issue with this is just knowing you're going to get speed and getting the speed and being comfortable with it. That right there is biscuits. I'm continuously braking still. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad, actually. And this is where you get master speed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Easy. Yeah, I'm clearing all of them. Easy. Easy peasy. Woo! Back to the trailhead. I think. I really don't know. I really do not know. So there's a green trail that I haven't done yet. I think this is right. Well, I was kind of hoping to run into those other guys.